Welcome. Let's we know the tricks to solve the dice problems. Okay. First, I'm giving you a question. Find the number opposite to 5. These two dice are given to you. Okay. These two dice are basically given to you. Now you have to find the opposite number to the 5. Okay. Second question is find the number opposite to 2. Okay. So pause the video and try to find out the answer of these two questions. Go to the comment box section, comment your answer, then resume the video. Okay, let's start the solution. First we have to know about the standard dice. Standard dice means the dice which is used to play the Ludo. Normally what dices you see, that are the standard dices. uh, what is the basic things in standard dice? If you have to find out the opposite number of any side of standard dice, that is 7. What is 7? 7 is equals to 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay, 3 plus 4 also equal to 7, and 6 plus 1 also equal to 7. The summation of the number present in the opposite two sides of a standard dice is equals to 7. So if you have to find the opposite number of 5, that will be 2. If you have to find out the opposite number of 4, that will be 3. If you have to find the opposite number of 6 of standard dice, that will be 1. In case of standard dice, just subtract the given number from 7. That will give you the answer. And another thing, if 3 sides are given to you of a dice, okay, how to check that dice is standard dice or not? The trick is that, suppose I am showing you this question. Okay, consider here is 6, here is 4, here is 1. 6, 4, 1. Take the sum of any two. 6 plus 1, that is 7. Now 6 plus 4, that is 10. See here, 4 and 2, 4 and 1. Okay, so according to the questions, these two dices are the sides of a same dice. If summation of any one, take the summation of these two, you may take the summation of these two, you may take the summation of these two. Okay, in the same case, take the summation of these two and these two. If any sum become equals to 7, that is not standard dice. Okay, here 6 plus 1, that is 7, means this is not the standard dice. In case of standard dice, the summation of the opposite side numbers will equal to the 7. So summation of the consecutive side numbers can't be equal to 7 in case of a standard dice. So this is non-standard dice. This is also non-standard dice, as because 6 plus 1, this is 7. Okay, so this is non-standard dice. So I already said how to find out the dice is standard dice or not. Okay, now try to find out the solution of these two questions. First, think about this question. I will discuss about the two tricks basically. Okay, see the common numbers. Common number is 6. 6 is here, 6 is here. Now you may go to the clockwise or you may go to the anti-clockwise. From 6, then 4, then 1. Okay, in this case 6, 3, 5. Now you have to note down 6, then 4, then 1 in case of first. Second, 6, then 3, then 5. Here is 6, so opposite of 4 is 3, opposite of 1 is 5. Okay, now 1 remain, that is opposite of 6, that is 1 remaining number. Okay, I think it is clear to you. It will be more clear for the second problem. Okay, so the answer is opposite to the 5, the answer is 1. 1 is present opposite to the 5. Okay, Second question, see here, here is two common sides, 4 1, here is also 4 1. In case of two common sides, what will be the opposite to 2? Opposite to 2. So in case of two common sides, 2 is present at the opposite of 6. So the answer will be 6. Mainly these two types of problems are asked regarding the dice problems. Okay. Now I am again repeating the two tricks. In case of one common side, okay, in case of one common side, what you have to do, you have to go to the clockwise or anti-clockwise. If I go anti-clockwise, 614, write down 614, 614. Go to the second, you have to go again anti-clockwise. I am following this direction, so in this case I will also follow this direction. 653, write down 653. So 3 is present at the opposite of 4, 5 is present at the opposite side of 1, and 6, the remaining number is 1, so 1 is present at the opposite sides of 6. And in case of two common side, in case of two common sides, 4 1 4 1, the remaining is the opposite of remaining here. Okay, so answer is 6 in this case, and answer is 1 in this case. Okay, thank you.